Yes, you heard that right. Since 1868, Liechtenstein has had no military. Let's take a quick look at the history to see why. Back in 1868, the country officially disbanded its army. For security, it made an agreement with neighboring Switzerland. This also allowed them to spend more on social programs and improve citizens' quality of life. Liechtenstein is one of Europe's tiniest countries, only 160 square kilometers. About 39,000 people live here. But despite its size, they enjoy some of the highest living standards in the world. So, how is this tiny country so rich? Main sources of income are banking, industry, and tourism. Believe it or not, you can rent the entire country. Liechtenstein offers exclusive experiences where companies and event organizers actually rent areas of the country for private events, conferences, and celebrations. Wait, don't forget to like the video and subscribe. These videos are made for you. With your feedback, more videos about new countries and other interesting facts will come, so be sure to share your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for your support and understanding. Liechtenstein is one of the safest countries on Earth. Crime rates are very low, and you can walk the streets without worry. The country is a parliamentary monarchy. The prince is still the symbolic leader, but the parliament handles daily governance. Liechtenstein has no airport. To enter the country, you need to use airports in Switzerland or Austria. In this video, we learned 8 interesting facts about Liechtenstein. Comment below which country you want to learn interesting facts about next. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Your channel for amazing facts, IntFacts.